I was sent these string lights to try them out and see what I think. Each bulb has a little string of fairy lights in it, and it is made of a very hard plastic. It has a regular 2-prong plug, and in the box came 2 extra replacement bulbs and 2 remotes, which I thought was pretty handy that you got more than one. I strung these lights on my front porch, but now let's see what they look like at night. They have so many colors and modes to pick from that you really could create any ambiance and any vibe that you wanted to. These lights would be really fun for kids' bedrooms or birthday parties, or your front porch like I did here at my house. So it can just do one solid color at a time, or it can do multiple at a time, or it can even do a strobe effect or a twinkle effect. It does jumping and fading. It can come in waves. You can set it on a timer. You can adjust the brightness. And there are so many colors to pick from, ranging from red to green, blue, orange, teal, purple, yellow, pink, and a couple more in between. And of course, it can just do solid white as well.